Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many Windows 10 users face. When you try to connect to a Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and still get the frustrating "can't connect to this network" error. Don't worry. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through several methods to fix this problem once and for all. So, let's get started. Alright. The first thing we need to do is dive into your network settings. Go ahead and click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then you will see gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open the settings. Once you're in settings, you will see multiple options. From these, head over to Network and Internet option. From there, scroll down a little bit, and then find and click on Change Adapter options. Once you are in here, you will see multiple adapter listed. And you'll see your Wi-Fi adapter listed also. Simply select it. And then right-click on it. And then from the drop-down menu, select Properties option. Now, click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. And then click on the Properties option. This is where you need to check if any manual IP or DNS settings are applied. If they are, switch both options to obtain an IP address automatically. And obtain DNS server address automatically. Once you're done, hit OK. And then again click on the OK. Next, let's give your Wi-Fi adapter a quick reset. Simply right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter again. And then from the drop-down menu, choose the first option, that is Disable. Now, wait a few seconds. And then right-click again. And then select Enable. Now, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. If you're still getting the same error, there might be an issue with the saved Wi-Fi password or the security type. To fix this, click on this icon at the bottom. And then you will see multiple internet connection. From these, click on your internet. And then right-click on your Wi-Fi network. And then select Forget. This will remove the old password and security settings. Now, click on the Wi-Fi network again. And then click on the Connect button. And then enter your internet password. Once you're done, then see if it connects. In most cases, this should solve the issue. If the issue persists, let's try resetting your network settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left corner. And then clicking on the gear icon to open settings. Once you are in the settings, click on the Network and Internet option. Once you are in the Network and Internet settings, scroll down and click on Network Reset option. This option will reset all your network profiles and restart your PC. Once you are there, click on Reset Now button. Confirm by clicking Yes. And your system will restart. After the restart, try connecting to your Wi-Fi again. Now, if you're still having trouble, we can use some commands in the command prompt to reset your network. Start by opening the command prompt as an administrator. To do this, click on Start menu and type CMD. Once you find it in the results, right-click on Command Prompt. And then from the drop-down menu, select Run as Administrator option. Once command prompt is open, type netsh winsock reset. Once you type it, simply hit the Enter button. This will reset the network socket. Then, type netsh int IP reset log txt. Once you type this prompt, simply hit the Enter button. Once it's done, after that, you can also use the command netsh int IP reset to reset the IP configuration. Finally, clear the DNS cache by typing IP protocol configuration \. Flushdens. Once you type it, simply hit the enter button. Once it's done, close command prompt and restart your computer. After the restart, try connecting to your Wi-Fi network again. If all else fails, there might be an issue with your Wi-Fi adapter driver. To check this, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then type Device Manager in the search bar. Once you type it, then select it from the results. Once you are in the Device Manager, you will see multiple settings. From these, expand the Network Adapters section, and then find your Wi-Fi adapter. It could be Broadcom, Atheros, Realtek, or something similar. Once you find it, simply select it, and then simply right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. And then from the drop-down menu, select Update Driver. Since you're not connected to the internet, choose Browse My Computer for Drivers option. And then click on the Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer option. Choose a driver that was installed on a date when your Wi-Fi was working fine. And then click Next button to install it. If this doesn't work, you can try uninstalling the driver. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter again. Select Uninstall Device. And make sure to check Delete the driver software for this device. After uninstalling, restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver for you. As a last resort, you can use the built-in network troubleshooter. Go back to Network and Internet settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left corner, and then click on the Settings. And then in the Settings, click on the Network and Internet settings. Once you are there, simply click on Troubleshoot, and then select All Network Adapters, and click on the Next. And then after some loading, click on the Skip This Step option. Once you've done this, the troubleshooter will scan for issues and automatically apply fixes if any problems are found. After that, you would be able to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And that's it, folks. These methods should help you fix that you can't connect to this network error on your Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.